Everyone thinks the best-selling inch-pound torque wrench is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Lexivon inch-pound torque wrench. First up is the Lexivon inch-pound torque wrench. Priced at $37.97, this tool caught my eye because of its impressive 4.5-star rating from over 7,500 reviews. If you want precision and reliability in your torque applications, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Lexivon is pre-calibrated with an accuracy of plus or minus 4%, so you can trust that your measurements are spot on. With a torque range of 20 to 200 inch-pounds, it's versatile enough for various tasks. The high contrast markings make it easy to read, even in low light, which can be a game saver in tight spots. Plus, the durable design features heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, ensuring it withstands tough conditions, and it's backed by a calibration certificate, which is pretty rare in this price range. Now, some people complained about the weight of the wrench. It's a bit heavier than some others on the market. Here's the thing though, if you need a tool that can take a beating and provide accurate results, that extra weight may actually be a benefit for stability. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional who needs precision in your work. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option for casual use. At this price point, you're getting solid value for a dependable tool. Now, if the Lexivon's weight is a concern for you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Kubeist 13 PCS Preset Torque Screwdriver Set. Next up is the Kubeist 13 PCS Preset Torque Screwdriver Set, coming in at a budget-friendly $29.97. This caught my attention for its compact feature set and versatility. If you're into maintenance or bike repairs, this set is definitely worth considering. The Kubeist offers a torque range from 10 to 70 inch-pounds, with an accuracy of plus or minus 2 inch-pounds, which is pretty impressive for the price. The standout feature here is that audible click signal you hear when reaching the preset torque. That's a game changer for preventing over-tightening, especially when working on sensitive components. This means you get precision without having to constantly check the torque, making it a huge time saver, especially for repetitive tasks. However, some users mentioned that the bits feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing. While they might not be the toughest out there, if you're using them for light to medium jobs, they should hold up just fine. Just be cautious if you're working with heavier machinery. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or someone who frequently works with bikes or firearms. Skip this if you need something more heavy-duty for commercial use. Considering all the bits you get, it's a decent value for a comprehensive starter set. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for more precise firearms work. Product number 3. Wheeler Manual Firearms Accurizing Torque Wrench. Coming in at $70.98 is the Wheeler Manual Firearms Accurizing Torque Wrench, which has a stellar 4.8-star rating from over 17,000 reviews. If you need pinpoint accuracy for firearms work, this is definitely worth your attention. What sets the Wheeler apart is its accuracy, offering plus or minus 2 inch-pounds up to 40 inch-pounds and plus or minus 5% from 40 to 65 inch-pounds. This accuracy means fewer chances of cross-threading or damaging your scope mounts, which can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Plus, it comes with 10 bits, making it versatile for different tasks, and the durable S2 steel bits mean you won't have to replace them anytime soon. Now, some users noted that the case can feel a bit bulky to store. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your firearm maintenance, that bulkiness is a small price to pay for the protection and organization it provides. This is perfect for you if you're a serious gun enthusiast or a gunsmith. Skip this if you're just looking for something casual. Overall, the accuracy and included bits offer great value for the investment. Now, if you're looking for a more portable option that still delivers on precision, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4. Kubeist Torque Screwdriver 38 PCS Set. Next, I've got the Kubeist Torque Screwdriver 38 PCS Set for $36.99. This one stands out for its extensive set of bits and its user-friendly design. If you need a comprehensive toolkit for various tasks, this is a solid contender. The torque range is similar to the previous Beast model, from 10 to 70 inch-pounds, but what really caught my attention is the sheer number of included bits. You get a total of 38 pieces, which means you'll have the right tool for almost any job. The audible click feature is still there, providing the same reliable feedback, and it's compact enough to carry around, making it perfect for on-the-go repairs. However, some users have mentioned that the build quality could be better, with a few claiming the bits wear out quicker than expected. Here's the thing though, for casual use and the variety this set offers, it's still a worthwhile investment, especially if you're just getting started. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for multiple types of projects. Skip this if you need something more specialized for heavy-duty work. Given the number of pieces, this set offers amazing value for the price. Finally, if you're looking for something more traditional with a different style, check out what we have with our next product. Product number 5, Nyko 3727A Beam Torque Wrench. Lastly, we have a Nyko 3727A Beam Torque Wrench, priced at $28.99. This caught my attention for its ease of use and straightforward design. If you prefer a more traditional approach to torque measurement, this might be the tool for you. With a measurement range of 0 to 80 inch-pounds, it provides precise readings in both SAE and metric. This means you won't need to fumble with conversion charts, making your work quicker and easier. The beam-style design allows you to see the reading from a distance, which is super handy when you're in tight spots or working at odd angles. On the downside, some users have pointed out that it can be less durable than other types of torque wrenches. Here's the thing. While it may not survive the roughest conditions, if you're using it for light automotive work or bicycle repairs, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something simple and effective for general use. Skip this if you need high precision for firearms or heavy machinery. At this price point, it's a great value for a basic yet reliable tool. To sum things up, we've got the Lexivin for precision, the Beast 13 PCS for versatility, the Wheeler for firearms accuracy, the Beast 38 PCS for a comprehensive kit, and the Nyko for straightforward usability. Each of these has its strengths depending on your needs, so pick the one that resonates best with your work style.